Hey guys, welcome to Go and Tech. This is Omkar. Today we're gonna see the iMac Pro. The first is at 2017 Worldwide Developer Conference. The iMac Pro is the workstation class machine that aims a pro user with a demanding workflow. The iMac Pro features the same design as the standard iMac but with a all-flash architecture and a new thermal design that supports a Intel Xenon processor with up to 18 cores and a top-of-the-line Radeon Pro Vegas graphics. iMac features a 2.3 GHz of 18 cores Intel Xenon W processor with 128 GB of RAM, 4 TB of SSD storage, AMD Radeon Pro Vega 64 graphics cards with 16 GB of HBM2 memory. Other specs include 4 Thunderbolt 3-port powerful enough to drive a multiple 5K display at once and also get a 10 GB Ethernet port. There is also a 4 USB port with a 3.0 SD card slot and a 3.5 headphone jack. iMac Pro features a Retina 5K display that supports a billion colors with a P3 wide processor gamuts. It has a more than a 14.7 million pixels and a 500 nit brightness level, which is a 43% brighter than the previous iMac display. iMac Pro benchmarks has suggested that the mid-range of 10 cores models with a 3.0 GHz of Intel Xenon processor is 45% faster than the high-end 2013 Mac Pro and up to 23% faster than the top-of-line 2017 27-inch 5K Mac. In Apple's testing, the iMac Pro has proved to offer an incredible performance improvement for a range of workflows and apps, including Autodesk Maya 2018, Axon Cinema 4D, Osira MD, Wow from Mathematics, Adobe Photoshop CC, Logic Pro X, Final Cut Pro X, and more. High-end Radeon Pro Vega 64 delivers an 11 teraflow of single precision computing power and up to 22 teraflow of a half precision computing performance. Means it's powerful enough to real-time 3D rendering and impressive high frame rates VR. Alongside a Intel Xenon W processor, the iMac Pro is equipped with a customized Apple-made T2 chips, the successor of T1 chip in a MacBook Pro that powers a touch bar. The T2 integrated with a system management control, image signal processing for a camera, audio control, SSD control, and a hardware encryption engine. The iMac Pro looks much like a standard iMac with an ultra-thin slim body design and a minimal footprint, but it is set apart with a unique space gray enclosure and a new thermal design that delivers 80% more cooling capacity and a 75% more airflow to support a 500 watt of power, which is equate to a 67% more power than a previous iMac. The new thermal design results a wider ventilation grille at the back of a machine, while standard 27-inch Mac features a hitch to allow RAM to be upgraded. There is no such a hitch in the iMac Pro as it is not upgradable. The lack of upgradation is one of the major downside to the new machine, which no way for user to swap out RAM processor or a hard drive. That's all for the day. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. This has been Onkar signing off. See you in the next video.